MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
Personalizing your car can take many forms: aftermarket wheels, exhaust systems, engine tuning, and custom paint, upholstery, or graphics. One popular method is to powder coat brake calipers or various components under the hood, like turbos, air intake tubing, or even intercoolers. Powder coating provides a durable finish that won't scratch easily, stands up to heat, and gives a pop of color to an otherwise dull engine bay. The best part is you can do it yourself and get great results with a little bit of practice and not a lot of cash. Eastwood Tools offers this DIY powder coating kit along with dozens of powder colors, all the accessories you'll need to get started. We're going to show you how easy this process can be. Like the name suggests, powder coating involves misting a fine colored powder over the part. The particles are electrostatically charged and the part is grounded so the powder is actually attracted to the part, ensuring even coverage, then is baked in an oven to cure, which melts or flows the material into a hard, even finish. Prep work consists of removing all paint, rust, dust, and residue from the metal. Lucky for us, we found these vintage Tornado gas saver gizmos in our storage room. They were unpainted, clean, already just waiting for their next as seen on TV moment of glory. You'll need an air compressor and electrical outlet to operate the powder gun. It's critical that your air supply is free of water, oils, and contaminants. So an inline filter like this, placed close to the tool, is ideal. You'll also need an air pressure regulator and dial it all the way back to 8 psi. Activate the electric charge on the gun, blow the powder onto the part, getting it into all the cracks and corners. Then pop it into a 400-degree electric oven, not gas. Don't use your mom's oven at home. The fumes are slightly toxic and will definitely ruin her next batch of brownies. Cure the part for 20 minutes, let it cool before you touch it, and voila, you've baked a fresh new look for your ride. If you have any questions or comments, hit us up right here at MotorWeek.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.